Hi everyone, how are you all? I am Rega. Welcome to my channel Rega's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Classic Social Science Chapter 8 Unity in Diversity or Many in the One Multiple Choice Questions. Which organization conducted the People of India project? Options are Archaeological Survey of India, Anthropological Survey of India, Geological Survey of India, Historical Survey of India. Which is the correct answer? Anthropological Survey of India. This is a national organization and in the late 20th century, it conducted a massive survey called People of India Project of 4,635 communities across all states of the country. Next one. Many Indians are called migrants because options are they travel daily, they live in foreign countries, they do not live near their birthplace or original community, they speak foreign languages. Which is the correct answer? Many Indians, they are called migrants because many people do not live in the place where they were born or with their original community. So, which is the correct answer? Option C. They do not live near their birthplace or original community. So, many Indians are called migrants. Next one. What does the phrase unity in diversity mean? Options are people are exactly the same, differences cause conflict, many different cultures exist within one united country, diversity should be removed. What does the phrase unity in diversity mean? We may have different languages, clothes, food, religions, and cultures, but we respect each other and live peacefully together. In India, people speak many languages and they follow many traditions. But we are all Indians. So, which is the correct answer? Option C. Many different cultures exist within one united country. That is unity in diversity. Next one. Why is Indian food considered very diverse? Options are because people eat only rice, because there are thousands of different dishes, because food is expensive, because people eat only vegetables. Why is Indian food considered very diverse? Which is the correct answer? Option B, because there are thousands of different dishes. Indian food is called diverse because it is different in different parts of the country. People in North India eat more wheat, chapati, etc. People in South India, they eat more rice, dosa, etc. Each state has its own special dishes. So, Indian food is considered very diverse. Next one. Which of the following are called staple grains? Fruits and vegetables, rice, wheat, millets and pulses, spices and oils, milk and meat. What are staple grains? Staple grains are the main foods that people eat every day. They give us energy and keep us healthy. That is, they are the basic grains we eat regularly. So, correct answer is option B, rice, wheat, millets and pulses. These are staple grains. Why are cereals, millets and pulses called staple grains? Options are they are eaten only during festivals, they are grown only in villages, they are the basic food for most Indians, they are used only in one region. Which is the correct answer? They are the basic food for most Indians. Staple grains are the basic grains we eat regularly to stay strong and healthy. Which traditional Indian dress is worn in most parts of India? Salwar kameez, lehenga, sari, kurta. Which is the correct answer? Sari. The sari is described as, options are a stitched garment, a plain length of unstitched cloth, a woolen dress, a modern outfit. Which is the correct answer? Sari is described as a plain length of unstitched cloth. What was chintz? Options are a type of silk sari, a European dress, a printed cotton textile from India, a weaving machine. Chintz is a type of cotton cloth. It is brightly colored. It has printed designs, often of flowers and patterns. It usually has a shiny finish. Okay, so which is the correct answer? Option C, a printed cotton textile from India. Why did England and France ban the import of chintz from India? Options are it was poor quality, it was too expensive, it reduced the sale of European dresses, it was difficult to transport. Indian chintz was very popular in Europe. It was better and cheaper than the cloth made in England and France. So, to protect their own industries, the governments of England and France stopped or banned the import of Indian chintz. So, which is the correct answer? Option C. It reduced the sale of European dresses. What does Makara Sankranti mark? Options are beginning of the rainy season, beginning of the harvest season, end of the year, beginning of winter. Which is the correct answer? Makara Sankranti marks the beginning of the harvest season. What is the Panchatantra best known for? Options are describing wars, being a religious book, teaching life skills through animal stories, being a modern story collection. It is a collection of short stories mostly told using animals as characters. Each story teaches an important life lesson or value like honesty, wisdom, friendship, cleverness, etc. So, which is the correct answer? Teaching life skills through animal stories. Next one, how old is the original Sanskrit text of the Panchatantra? Options are about 500 years old, about 1000 years old, about 2200 years old, about 4000 years old. Which is the correct answer? Option C, about 2200 years old. What is the main theme of both the Ramayana and the Mahabharata? Options are trade and travel, entertainment only, heroes fighting to re-establish Dharma, scientific discoveries. The main theme of both the Ramayana and the Mahabharata is a victory of good over evil and the importance of Dharma, that is, doing what is right. So, the correct answer is heroes fighting to re-establish Dharma. How are tribal versions of the epics mainly transmitted? Options are printed books, school textbook, oral tradition, digital media. Which is the correct answer? Oral tradition. They were told by word of mouth, passed down through storytelling, songs, dances, and performances. Hi everyone, I have uploaded exam questions for English, mathematics, science and social science in my channel. Those who have not watched, please go through it. They are in separate playlist. You visit my channel, you can see all these playlists. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.